Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. Hope you're all doing well and enjoying your time with friends and family during this holiday season. Just want to give you a quick update on Bitcoin. Right now it's trading at 3682. For last few days we have been seeing a bounce in Bitcoin and overall market. So right now this morning we went all the way up to almost 39.45 in Bitcoin, and right now we are losing that gain that we made in the morning. I was expecting some kind of pullback and people taking some profit based on the market condition that we have seen in last couple of months. So this was quite expected that we will see some kind of pullback here. Now the key is right now is to see a follow through. Okay, if we don't see a follow through in next next few days, we can easily come down to retest 3200 level in Bitcoin, or perhaps lower if there is a momentum in the selling side. So it's very critical that we see some follow through in Bitcoin in next few days. If not, then people will start putting the stop losses, and those stop losses will trigger if there is enough selling pressure, and people will generally are very skeptical of this market right now, just because what we have witnessed in last few months. So that's why I'm not very everyone, just like a lot of professional trader out there is a sense of negativity. I would say, a lot of people are saying this market right now it will take some time to recover, but that is also one of the scenario, but we need to see some follow through in next few days. And again, the reason I'm saying that is because a lot of people, especially with the bigger account, are putting their stop losses just to make sure that they are not taking any significant losses and just doing their proper risk management. And then there's also people who are just will sell first and then ask questions later. So those kind of mentality will add up, and basically that will create some down pressure. So again, we need to make sure that we have some follow through in Bitcoin and clearing the 4,000 level and making the room toward 4,600 during this weekend. So that's something that I'm looking at in Bitcoin as a next target on the upside. 4,600 would be idle position, that's also a 50-day moving average on the daily chart. So that's something will act as a resistance, and that will be a good target to look for in Bitcoin in near term. Again, the market is still pretty fragile. I wouldn't call this as a that we have seen our worst, because just because right now we are seeing a bounce doesn't mean that everything is nice and rosy. We need to see some follow through. We cannot get comfortable with this market until we see some decent follow through, and people who are trying to short the market or people who are sitting on the sideline will get some pressure. So until that point, we need to be careful about how we are navigating this market. As I have said it before, take profit when you have them. Make sure you are securing your profit and not letting it turn your profit into losses. I have seen that before, where people just keep on sit on their profit, and next thing they know that that profit have turned into the loss. So please don't be one of those people. Make sure you are taking some profit off the table. We have seen nice move in a lot of the coins in last few days, so make sure that you do take some profit. If not, it's really individual, but be very mindful of those things, that right now the market is not a trendy market on the upside. It's not a bullish market, it is a bearish market, and we have to respect that fact. All right, so that's all. Just to recap, we need to see some follow through in Bitcoin in order to get some momentum on the upside, and in order to have positive vibe for the bulls to, like, catch on, and, like, people who are just sitting on the sideline and trying to wait and watch. So we need to have that follow through. All right. Other coins that I'm looking at, like, Bitcoin Cash was up pretty nicely. I will try to cover some of the other coins as well, but just wanted to give you a quick update on Bitcoin for today. All right, that's all, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification and the bell icon, and so you can get this content as soon as I upload them on YouTube. And if you think these videos are helping you with your trading, with your investing, then please give me a thumbs up. That really means a lot. All right, that's all for today. Talk to you soon.